so that you can work with Photoshop online, you're gonna have to log in to creativecloud.adobe.com. So this is the address. I'll give you guys a link too, for if you need it. So what you're gonna do once you get there, log in. You're going to log in with your school email address. In my case, mine is already here. Continue. And that's it. In our case, it's going to ask for the password. The password needed is also the school email password. So once you're here, there are a lot of things you can do. One of the things that is very important for the next few classes, you can download Creative Cloud, because once you do that, you can also install Photoshop in your device. For today, as most of you won't have downloaded Photoshop and it takes a while to do that, so please do that at home. We're going to be working with Photoshop online. So you can see right here on the left in Web Apps, Photoshop is here. If it's not here, we can go straight to Apps and then Web, Adobe Photoshop. And then you can click Start, and there you are. Okay. Once you're here, I'm already going to show you guys how to get started, and then I'll give the instructions on a PowerPoint. So once you're here, you're just going to click New File. In my case, this is still in Portuguese. You can look at that in your preferences to change it. Not going to do that now, but you guys can do that. So New File, to create a new file for Photoshop. In this first lesson, the idea is to create a blank file. So we're just gonna go scroll down. You can do a default one for this first class. No need to change anything. Maybe you can change this, so add transparent background and create. Good. Once you're here, you have a whole Photoshop for you to work on. And your job, basically, for this first class is going to be creating a minimalistic poster. What does that mean? You're going to use only geometrical shapes for that. Basically, squares and circles. To do that, you're going to have to use only the following tools. So this third one, yours probably going to look different because it's going to have this one selected by default. I want you guys to click here and use the two at the bottom. Okay, so for example, with rectangle marquee. And with this, you can make selections like this. The next thing you guys gonna use is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6th icon. But instead of the paintbrush, I want you guys to use the paint can, which is this. Why? The paint can, you can just click and fill in a whole area. The next thing you guys are gonna need to change for today is colors. So you can select here. So when you click this circle, you're gonna change the foreground color. So any color at all. You can change the hue and the brightness in here. Cool. With that, using the paint can, I can just fill it in. One more thing that's very important for Photoshop is using layers. You can work with layers on the right side. So as you can see, I have a layer here with my purple square. I'm going to add another layer on top. Nothing changes because the layers are transparent. Okay. Next, I'm going to go back here and, oops, sorry. And then I'm going to select, I did just click something wrong, I'm doing it, good. So first thing, I'm going to need to deselect. So I may have this first, let me delete this extra, good. So I had selected to make this purple square. I'm going to use Command D to deselect. And on my new layer, I'm going to make, for example, a very large selection to pick the whole screen. I'm going to make this one green. Good. And again, I'll paint with the paint can. As you can see, my other square disappeared. So again, after I painted, I'm going to use Command D to deselect. My purple square disappeared. And why is that? Because the other is on top. If I click this layer and move it below, it's now a background. Okay? Using this first tool here, that is selection, you can just click and move your layer. So I'm clicking and moving my first layer. Okay, I can do that to adjust my components. And by adding one selection per layer, I can make different shapes. For example, let's make this kind of orange and paint it. And I can move that. I forgot to deselect, but now I can move that. Even here for a sun. Beautiful. Okay, that's it. So you're going to be using only this kind of shapes, and with that, your goal is to create a poster, so a minimalistic poster about your trip last week to Itatiaia. That's it.